Are you ready for a robot that moves like a human, thinks like a supercomputer, and sees like an eagle? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That's my website, and see why so many people get my newsletter for free. Meet Iron. It's the humanoid robot from a Chinese EV car maker that is blurring the lines between sci-fi and reality. This machine is packing a Turing AI chip with 3,000 TOPS of processing power, 60 joints for lifelike motion, and eagle-eye vision sharper than most humans. Oh, and it is already working on Shangpong factory floors building the cars of tomorrow. But here's what's wild. It is not just about assembly lines. Shangpong wants this robot in your home, office, even your local coffee shop, acting as a personal assistant. And with the same AI powers that self-driving cars have, Iron's not only just following its orders, it's learning and adapting in real time. Now here's my question for you. Are we ready yet for robots that think, see, and move just like us? And then what happens when they're not just performing tasks, but actually making decisions? That's what freaks me out, but at the same time gets me excited. What's your take? Drop your thoughts below as we are racing toward innovation here. Or are we just playing with fire? More innovative tech like this at my website. It's cyberguy.com. That's where you can get my newsletter for free.